What I'm going to do is try to go in and liven up this one. And by the way, I can always go back later and come in and fix things. I don't have to totally finish it right now, but I like to. So, let's see what happens here. Okay, I think it's time to come in and do some work on eyes. What I have here, this is some permanent white. This is opaque white gouache. And I need to do some blacks on here first of all. And to do that, I think what I'm going to do, pick a little different brush. Maybe, let's see, something like this one. It's a small sable. The size is rubbed off of it. I can't tell what it is. Instead of going black per se, I think we're going to start with some purple and then add black after. So let's see what we've got here. I don't really like the shape. And maybe a little blue and a bigger ring around there. Let that dry up a little bit. Let's work on the other fellow here. This is going to be a dark blue. There's a lot of cools and warms in here, and that's a good thing. I always want that. Now this red is transparent watercolor, and I'm not sure it's going to go down very opaque here. I could put in some opaque red. Let's see what happens. It looks kind of okay now, but I'm afraid when it dries, it might lose some of that